Subscribe to PyCS channel and press bell icon for more updates. Hi guys, how is up? Okay, this is my first video where I'm going to start my Python tutorial. Okay, let's see. This is the first introduction video where I will discuss about course list, what is Python, history of Python, features of Python, applications of Python, what are the companies using Python, and why should you learn Python. Okay, let's talk about course list. First is your introduction, and next I will explain you how to install code editor, how to code. I will explain you data types, keywords, literals, and many more topics here, which I will explain you one by one. I will also introduce about object-oriented programming after this Python core. Okay, now talk about what is Python. Python is a general purpose, dynamic, high level and interpreted programming language. It supports object oriented programming approach to develop applications. Okay, Python general purpose and dynamic high level interpreted language, because Python can be used anywhere, and high level means we can interact with machine very easily. There is no stuck stuck point. Okay, lots of data structure also used in Python. Python is easy to learn, so that's why it attracts to many developer. Python is not intended to work in a particular area. Yeah, Python is not used for particular area. It used everywhere where you want. Where you want. Python supports multi-programming pattern where object oriented and procedural oriented. So you can use both. Python makes the development and debugging fast because there is no compilation step included in Python development, and edit, test, debug cycle is very fast. So if you are using Python, so it is very easy to debugging. It is very easy to debugging. History of Python. Okay, let's see about history of Python. Basically, Python is developed by Guido van Rossum. Let's see this guy. This guy developed Python. First version of Python released in 1991. Okay, this is not necessary, but I showed you. Features of Python. It is very important. Why we are learning Python? It is because it is very easy. Python is very easy and developer friendly. Expressive language. It is very expressive language because understandable and readable. Interpreted language. Python is an interpreted language. Interpreter executes the code line by line at a time. This makes debugging easy and thus suitable for beginners. Okay, once we write a code, the interpreter executes it line by line at a time. So that's why debugging is so easy. cross platform language. Python is used in every platform. Either you talk about Unix, Linux, Windows, Mac, everywhere. Free and open source. Python is officially free and open source because the license, the all source codes is on Python official site www.python.org. Object oriented language. Python supports object oriented language and all the concept of object oriented classes, objects. Python applications. Let's talk about Python applications. Basically, Python is known for its general purpose nature that makes it applicable in almost every domain of software development. Okay, so it is the fastest growing programming language and can develop any applications. Here we are specifying application areas where Python can be applied. Let's see Python applications. We can use it in everywhere. So I'm talking about some applications, web applications, GUI applications, console based applications, software development, okay, scientific and numeric, business, and many more applications of Python. Web applications. We can use Python to develop web applications. Why? Because it supports internet protocols such as HTML and XML, JSON, email processing, request, beautiful shop, and many more. One of the Python web framework named Django is used on Instagram. I think I don't need to remember you. There's Instagram is a world biggest photo sharing app. Okay, Python provides many useful frameworks and these are given below. Django and Pyramid framework used for heavy applications. Okay, Flask and Bottle micro framework. Scientific and numeric. This is the area where Python is most demandable. It is most suitable language for artificial intelligence or machine learning. And it consists of many libraries for mathematical complex mathematical problems. Okay, few popular frameworks of machine learning machines: SciPy, Scikit-learn, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, many more. Companies using Python. Let's see. There's top companies using Python such as IBM, Amazon, Google, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Netflix. I don't need to you remember that Python is the most demandable language in this era. Why you should learn Python? Yes, this question is very interesting. Why you should learn? Because Python is used everywhere and there is use community career opportunities. Python is used in web development, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and many more. Why you should not learn? I will say to you, you should learn. Definitely, your career will boost. Okay, guys, we are done, and now we will meet in next video where I will explain you how to install Python latest version and I will explain you how to install code editor. Okay, bye.